Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, yeah, yes. Texas, what it say about the data center? Shout out to Governor Greg Abbot. They call him Meals on Wheels. Wheels, because he's in a wheelchair, whatever, man. He's doing some great things for Texas. He's been, and this going to get him reelected right here, man. Showing that he cares about the water. And me, me, I'm leveraging AI, get paid off of AI bots and all that. But hey, man, I care about the water too. So shout out to Greg Abbott, man, for putting a moratorium on statewide pause and approving new data center connections because it's messing up the water, man, and into the state electric grid, which is gonna raise up electric bills all around the state. Shout out to that. And y'all know I'm getting paid off of Texas. One of my main businesses is out of Dallas, Texas. We do gaming and it's using AI. But check this out though. That's why I don't trip though, because we're not using a lot of AI. All right. Let's say the modern game Zeppelin is a skill-based space arcade and target shooting game that relies on classical pinball style ricochet mechanics rather than generating artificial intelligence for its core assets of design. So we don't use it for our core assets of design. That's why I said it doesn't. It does use some AI, doesn't it? Like almost all arcade and target shooting games, Zeppelin relies on classic game AI, even if it doesn't use modern generative AI like ChatGPT or AI art generators. In the gaming industry, the term AI can mean two entirely different things. Classic game AI, which Zeppelin uses target behavior, which the code determines how the targets move, shift, and react to your shots, use basic rule-based algorithms. Single player logic, if you're playing against automated scoring thresholds, pre-programmed obstacles, those obstacles follow automated patterns written by a programmer. Physics and circulation. While controlled by a physics engine rather than a neural network, the automated setup and angles ricochet trajectory relies on computer science, math, often categorized under deterministic game logic. Generalized AI, which Zeppelin does not focus on. No AI assets. The space background, sound effects, and UI were created by human developers using traditional generic engines like Unity rather than prompt and image generator. No dynamic dialogue or LLMs. Because it's straight arcade game, there are no conversational characters or generative text elements. We're going to add some of that, but we're not going to add enough to need data centers. So I'm good with that. So we're using AI, but just enough. We're not sitting here finna tear up the water and tear up nature and bring up people's light bills, but we still finna make millions off of AI. Shout out to Texas and shout out to Zeppelin, which is out of Dallas, Texas, the CEO out of Dallas, Texas. What's up, Ty? We in the building, baby. In Texas, we fight, baby. In Texas, we ball, we hooking them, and we happy, man, that we not tearing up our water. We're not destroying our water, our pure water in Texas that we got a lot of, and we're not finna let no data centers come tear up our water while we still leverage AI crypto. Let's go. That's what I'm saying. What I say, I even asked right here. I say, but not like where data centers are needed. Correct? Say, yes, you're absolutely correct. The type of classic AI used in Zeppelin requires zero external data centers. Here is how it works. 100% local processing. The game's algorithms run entirely on your phone processor. Tiny footprint. The math behind the target movements and ricochet physics takes up almost no computational power. It requires no more energy than a simple calculator app. No server delays. Because the code lies directly inside the app and you download it. The game does not need to send data over internet to a server farm and figure out what a target should do next. I'm sorry. So if you want to get in front of AI the right way, without using up the water in the world and destroying our natural water resources, get with me. We're gaming. We're making money, playing the game and leveraging crypto and AI with Zeppelin. Let's go, baby. Straight out of Texas. Let's get it.